Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Karuna and today I'm going to show you how to prepare buckwheat porridge. Buckwheat is one of the superfoods which is healthy, tasty, easy to prepare and it's pretty inexpensive. It's also gluten free and is loaded with essential nutrients, and it also contains a lot of protein and fiber. Having buckwheat for breakfast is one of the best and healthiest way to kickstart your day. So let's get started. Heat a pan on a medium to low flame. Add 1 packet of creamy buckwheat cereal into the pan. And dry roast it until the grains are slightly toasted. Dry roasting these grains will take about 10 to 12 minutes. These are not whole grains, these are broken buckwheat grains. When these grains start changing color or turn light brown, turn off the flame and allow it to cool for some time. Once it cools down, you can add them in a grinder and grind to a fine powder. In order to prepare the porridge, you will not need the contents of the entire pack. You will just be using 2 to 3 tablespoons of the dry roasted flour. In order to prepare the porridge, you will just take about 2/3 cup of water in a bowl. Add 2 heaped tablespoons of the flour and mix it well so that there are no lumps. Once this is ready, you just have to microwave it for about 45 seconds or a minute depending on your microwave. When done, its consistency will be thick and not watery. You can have this directly. It will have a strong nutty flavor, but it will be totally bland. I usually add 1 teaspoon jaggery powder, some raisins, half teaspoon ghee and 1 teaspoon honey. This will taste like a breakfast dessert for me. Or you can top this with fruits, brown sugar or anything that you like. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you ever try out this recipe, please let me know how it turns out. If you have any questions, comments or suggestions, please put it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.